Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector. Indian Air Force has received 11 Rafale fighter jets from France and is expecting 12 more fighters in next 40 days, taking the total count to 23. A total of 36 Rafale jets are to be delivered by Dassault Aviation to India by end of this year. Out of the remaining 13, 7 jets have already been handed over to Indian Air Force Attaché in France and is being used for pilot training. The remaining 6 will be delivered by end of this year, completing the order of 36 Rafale fighter jets. With the delivery of Rafale fighter jets coming to an end by 2021, Dassault Aviation is planning for a fresh push for 36 more Rafale jets. The Air Chief Marshal Arkas Bhadauria will be visiting France by around April, where Dassault Aviation will be briefing him about the most advanced variant of Rafale, which is Rafale F4. The deal for next 36 Rafale jets will include India-specific changes as per the previous deal and 70% of transfer of technology to produce Dassault Rafale for Indian Air Force tender of 114 fighter jets under Make in India clause. Rafale fighter jets have many variants, and Indian Air Force is currently operating the most advanced version of Rafale, which is Rafale DH and EH for two-seater and single-seater respectively. Rafale is planning to upgrade their jets to F4 variants, which is going to be the most advanced version of Rafale fighter jets. The upgraded F4 variant has been planned in two stages, F4.1 and F4.2. The F4.1 will have an upgraded radar as well as improved capabilities in helmet mounted display and AASM 1000 kg air to ground modular weapon. The F4.2 will be more effective in network centric warfare with more data exchange and satellite communication capacity. The maintenance of F4 will also be going to be easier than its predecessors with new prognosis and diagnostic aid system which can predict when the aircraft needs maintenance. It is also planned to incorporate big data and artificial intelligence to further develop F4 into a true futuristic fighter. The Rafale F4 jets will have a new engine control unit. It will also be integrated with Mica NG air-to-air missile developed by MBDA. Talking about Mica NG, it will be based on an entirely new design. The Mica NG missile will inherit the external dimensions and unique concept that has made Mica anti-air missiles such a success for a quarter of a century. This concept means Mica features either an infrared or a radio frequency seeker on the same missile body, allowing the operator at the moment of firing to select the best option to respond to the tactics adopted by the adversary. On Mica NG, a new infrared seeker based on a metric sensor will provide increased sensitivity, while a new radio frequency seeker with an actively electronically scanned antenna AESA will allow for smart detection strategies. The lower volume of electronics component will enable Mica NG to carry a larger load of propellant, significantly extending its range, and the new dual pulse rocket motor will provide additional energy to the missile at the end of its flight, improving its maneuverability and its ability to intercept targets at long range. In surface-to-air mode, the Mica NG will be able to intercept targets over 40 km away, and in air-to-air mode, it can intercept targets 100 plus kilometers away. Finally, the maintenance and ownership cost will be significantly reduced, and thanks to its internal sensors that will monitor the status of munition throughout its life cycle. The Mica NG missile will be available in series production by 2026. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.